Hello YouTubers, thanks for checking out another video from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to fix copyright claims from the YouTube Content ID claim. Here's one of my videos and it has been claimed, and it gives you option to remove song or file a dispute. And here it shows you the precise time that the claim ID was matched, and you can click there to play the match. So here in the audio, it will show you that there is one audio claim on this video, so you can easily just erase the copyrighted music or song, or you can add in a royalty-free music from the YouTube audio library. So you can easily just click on any of these music soundtracks you want and add it to the video by clicking here, and there you will see you can drag around the new audio just like this. You can drag it to extend the track or decrease it, and basically just replace the copyrighted soundtrack. And then once you're satisfied, click on save change and just simply save, and it will replace the audio track with the new one. And it'll take maybe a day or so because it needs to regenerate the video, and then it'll automatically remove the copyrighted claim once the new video is regenerated with the new soundtrack. So that's how it works. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Please check back for more internet marketing tips and tricks. Once again, I am Leon from How to Webmaster. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.